Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk through several methods to fix battery drain issues on your Android device. Let's get started. First, try restarting your phone. A quick reboot can clear minor software glitches that might be causing your battery to drain faster than usual. Hold the power button, tap Restart, and check your battery performance afterward. Next, check your battery usage settings to see which apps are consuming the most power. Go to Settings, tap Battery, and then select Battery Usage. You will see a list of apps and their battery consumptions. If any apps are using too much power, consider disabling or uninstalling them. You can also optimize battery usage for apps. In the same battery settings, tap Battery Optimization or Optimize Battery Usage. Here you can adjust settings for apps that drain power in the background. Consider enabling this for apps you don't use frequently. Next, reduce your screen brightness. Your display is one of the biggest battery drainers. Swipe down from the top of your screen and lower the brightness slider, or go to Settings, tap Display, and adjust the brightness. You can also turn off adaptive brightness if you prefer to control it manually. Limit background activity by turning off apps that run in the background. Go to Settings, tap Apps, then App Management, select an app, then tap Battery and choose Restricted to prevent it from running in the background unnecessarily. Another solution is to turn off features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS when you are not using them. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings panel and toggle off these features to save power. You can also enable Battery Saver mode. Go to Settings, tap Battery, and select Battery Saver. This will limit background activity, disable visual effects, and reduce your phone's performance to save battery life. If you're still experiencing issues, check for a software update. Sometimes battery drain is caused by software bugs that can be fixed by updating to the latest version. Go to Settings, then About Phone, or find the Software Update option. If an update is available, install it. And that's it. We have covered several methods to help you fix battery drain on your Android device. If the video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.